Hi friends, this is Savakoti Yelamanchili and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Knowledge Hacks. In my previous video, we already covered timing and performance and services running ports. I have stopped some scanning techniques due to some technical error. Now in this video, we will complete the remaining scans. Now I will perform normal scan. Nmap -p hyphen IP address here. When we scan 65,535 ports, it will take so much time. When we want to perform scan fastly, it means the next one in the port specification is a fast scan. What happened in the fast mode is the packets send aggressively. Aggressively means speed, like Nmap send packets speedily and receive packets speedily. In this case, what happened is when we send packets and receive the packets speedily in a network, the IPs and IDs will trigger that the package in that is not genuine. In that case, we will use time and performance option. In that, we will use this option. Okay, I will show you. Nmap -f, give your IP address here, and -t here. -t indicates time. We can specify the range also, like 0 to 5. 0 means slow, 1 means speed, 2 means some more speed. Like that I am giving 5 here. From here you will observe that the result will be very fast within seconds. Now I am removing time -t and rescan the IP address. We will see how much time it will take to complete the process. The result you see, it will take more time compared to previous scan. For giving time in 5, the scan will be very fast. When we give the time 5, the packet will be very aggressive. It means sends and receive packets too quickly. Actually performing a normal scan means Nmap scan will be illegal. They can file a case illegal on you. So I am telling, be careful in scanning some websites. When the time is given to 5, the packet sends and receive faster, so that the result will be aggressive. When you want accurate result, then reduce the time to 0. Then it can take some time to finish the result. In this case, the IDs and IPs may think that the packet which was sending and receiving will be genuine. Then you will get accurate result. But it will take so much time. So I am cancelling this scan. I want to tell about another one. Nmap -f and give your IP address here, and -v. Here v means verbose. What it will give you is it will show you the full details about step by step what Nmap will do. If you give -vv, it will give information some more clearly. If you want some more detailed information, add your v in the scan. You can observe that the result between previous scan and this scan will be different. It will give more data compared to previous. Now I will explain Nmap -f, give your IP address here. I am giving 3 V's here, -vvv. Here you will see it is initializing ping scan. Here ping is a protocol for checking a particular site or a particular device. Connection establishment purpose we will use ping. Example, ping google.com. What it will do is it will send ICMP packets and check whether connection is available or not. Here you will see it will perform ping scan. But it is very wrong. We should not perform a ping scan in any time, because when we perform a scan on any network or any site, first it will done ping scan. It will send ICMP packages and find connection is established or not. In that case, some IDs and IPs may block your pings. In that case, your IP may be locked. Then on that time you did not get accurate result. For preventing from DOS attack, they are blocking ICMP packets. On that time, what you have to do is stop the ping scan. From in the verbose result, it will clearly show you what is the response getting. I performed a fast scan and these are the top 100 ports. It will show you the top 100 ports results. Now already I told you we will stop ping scan. For that use this command sudo nmap -tn and give your IP address here and -vvv. It treats all hosts as online and it skips host discovery. It means it will send all ICMP packets. From here you will observe that there is no ping scan in result. It will directly move to parallel DNS. Now I am removing PN. See here nmap, give your IP address here -vvv. Here you will see the ping request will be done here. I hope you can understand this. When you perform a scan, you will observe that the result you didn't get. If you wait for many hours on the time, you have to use max tries. Nmap, give your IP address here. Max retries. And give your count here. I am giving my count as 10. If the result didn't get, it will perform scan up to 10 times. Here you will get a result, but if you didn't get a result, it will check up to 10 times. Or you can also use host timeout. Nmap, give your IP address here -host timeout and give your time here. I am giving 20 as my time. If you didn't get a response, here response means reply packets, then it will quit. I think this video is clear to understand. If you have any doubts, comment me, and also please share and subscribe and encourage me. Thank you guys.